Which GPS with backup cameras is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1. Wolfbox G840S. The Wolfbox G840S. This 12-inch 4K mirror dashcam caught my eye because it combines a high-resolution display with smart features, all for about $129.99. If you want top-notch video quality and rear visibility, this is worth a serious look. The 4K resolution means you can capture clear details, whether it's that suspicious car behind you or road signs. With dual cameras providing both front and rear views, the added night vision and parking assistance make it easier for you to maneuver safely. Plus, the included 32GB card means you can start recording right away. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having that crystal clear footage can be a lifesaver in case of accidents or disputes. Now, some people complained about the setup being slightly complicated. Here's the thing though, once you get it figured out, the peace of mind it provides is totally worth it. If you're someone who values safety and clear visibility, this camera is a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you're a daily commuter or someone who often drives at night. Skip this one if you want something super simple and don't need high resolution. For the price, it offers great value considering the features you get. Now, if the complexity of setting it up bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2. Wireless Portable CarPlay Screen. We have the 9.26-inch wireless portable CarPlay screen. Priced at $79.99. This unit is appealing if you're looking for a blend of functionality and affordability. If you want an easy-to-use interface with backup camera capabilities, this is worth checking out. This screen offers wireless connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, meaning you can easily access navigation and music without fumbling with your phone. The backup camera feature adds another layer of security when reversing, which is super important for avoiding accidents. Plus, it also has Bluetooth 5.0 for seamless audio streaming. Here's why this matters for you. Having this kind of tech in your car can simplify your driving experience and keep you connected safely. Some users did mention that the screen can be a bit dim in direct sunlight. Now, I'll be real with you, that can be a deal breaker if you need to see it clearly at all times. However, if you mostly drive in the evenings or overcast weather, it's still a great option. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly solution that keeps you connected while driving. Skip this one if you absolutely need the brightest display available. For its price, it offers impressive features that many will find valuable. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more premium experience.
Product number 3. 9-inch wireless Apple CarPlay screen with a 4K dashcam. At $109.99, this option stands out with its dual utility. If you're after a device that supports both CarPlay and navigation while providing a backup camera, this is worth a serious look. What I love about this product is the 4K dashcam. It provides super crisp footage that can help you identify license plates and faces in case of incidents. The voice control feature allows you to give commands without taking your hands off the wheel, making it much safer. With over 1,000 sold recently, it's clear that people appreciate its convenience. Here's why this matters. Having that level of clarity can be crucial for safety and liability. However, some reviews mention that the setup can be tricky for first-timers. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, it's a fantastic tool that enhances your driving experience. If you're someone who values technology and safety, this could be your go-to. This is perfect for you if you love tech and want a reliable backup camera. Skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward, less tech-heavy setup. Considering the features, it's a great value. Now, if you're looking for something a little different in terms of design, the next product might catch your attention. Product number 4. Portable Apple CarPlay Screen. The portable Apple CarPlay screen, which is a 10-inch car stereo that retails for $139.99. What stood out to me about this option is its size and clarity. If you want a larger, more immersive screen with a backup camera, this is worth considering. This unit not only serves as a large display for navigation and music, but also features a 4K dashcam that records in stunning detail. The 1080p backup camera provides you with a clear view of what's behind you, reducing the chances of any mishaps while reversing. The mirror link and voice control are just cherries on top. Here's why this matters. A larger screen can make your driving experience much more enjoyable and safer, especially during long trips. Some users did report that the touch response can be a bit slow at times. Now, I'll be honest, that can be frustrating when you need to quickly change a song or get directions. However, if you're okay with a little patience, this screen might be perfect for you. This is perfect for you if you enjoy a bigger screen and a feature-rich experience. Skip this one if you need quick responsiveness and prefer simplicity. Given its features, it offers good value for those who love tech. Now, if you want something even more budget-friendly, the last product might just fit the bill.
Product number 5, wireless CarPlay screen 7 inches. We have the wireless CarPlay screen for just $48.99. This 7-inch HD portable car stereo surprised me with its affordability and functionality. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still offers a backup camera, this is worth a look. This screen connects easily with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, giving you access to navigation and music without breaking the bank. The backup camera is a handy addition, providing extra safety while reversing. Plus, it's compact and easy to install, which is a big plus for those who aren't tech-savvy. Here's why this matters. Having an affordable option that still provides essential features can help you drive more safely without spending a fortune. That said, some users mentioned that the build quality feels a bit cheap. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for basic functionality without the frills, this might not be a deal breaker. It's excellent for those who just need the essentials. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget, but still want smart features. Skip this one if you're looking for a high-end experience with all the bells and whistles. For the price, it's hard to beat the value. Now that we've gone over these 5 options, let's wrap it up.
So, to quickly recap, we started strong with the Wolfbox G840S for high-quality recording, moved to the affordable yet functional wireless portable CarPlay screen, then checked out the impressive 9-inch wireless Apple CarPlay screen for tech lovers. After that, we talked about the portable Apple CarPlay screen for a large display experience, and finally, the budget-friendly wireless CarPlay screen. Each offers unique benefits depending on your needs and budget, making it easier to find the right fit for you.